Hi and welcome. My name is Claire Broad. I'm a professional medium accredited by the Institute of Spiritualist Mediums, and I have over 20 years' experience working with the general public. I'm also a spiritual teacher and a best-selling author, and I'm thrilled to have partnered with Watkins to bring you this online training program on psychic power and spirit communication. What greater knowledge can there be, and what greater peace of mind can be found than knowing life goes on after death? I have this understanding, and my passion is to share the knowledge I've gained from my own interactions with the spirit world, so that you may go on to discover the reality of an afterlife for yourself. Across every age, spirit teachers have been persistent in reaching out to our physical world, trying to encourage all of us to reconnect with who we really are, a spiritual being inhabiting a physical form. If you have found your way to this training program, you have likely been receiving a nudge from your own spirit and those in the spirit world who guide you. The time has come for you to learn how to connect to a greater reality. I am happy you're here with me as part of your journey, and I would like to take a moment to let you know what the aim of this program is and what you can expect from taking part. In the early 1990s, when I began developing my own mediumship ability, I was incredibly lucky to be invited to train under the guidance of a highly respected and extremely experienced medium. At the time, I took it for granted, but I realise now just how privileged I was, because I've since learned that experienced spiritual teachers aren't available to everybody. Yet, that solid foundation helped me develop into a competent medium myself. So I want you to have the same strong introduction to mediumship. And this online program has been created to give you the benefit of an experienced medium's knowledge in order to set you on that path. The aim of this program is to help you get in touch with your spiritual nature so you can discover the reality of the spirit dimensions for yourself. I will provide you with an introduction to developing psychic ability and mediumship, as well as taking you through a step-by-step guide of how to make a connection with the spirit world for yourself. I have designed the program in such a way that you can dip in and out as time allows, and I've structured it so you can easily return to sections in order to repeat lessons if you so wish. By the end of this program, you will have learnt the difference between working psychically and working mediumistically. You will learn psychic exercises to practice, as well as how to deliver a message from the spirit world and some of the different ways in which mediumship may be conducted. You will also learn how to develop a closer relationship with your own spirit guides. If you watch the videos in conjunction with working through the study guide, you will gain a wealth of information. I hope by the end you will feel inspired to continue with your learning and to develop your ability to a high standard. Mediumship takes a lifetime to unfold, so what I cannot promise is that you are guaranteed to make a connection to the spirit world in a short space of time. This can only be achieved through regular, committed experimentation. But if you stick with it, the rewards you may well see could be well worth the effort and patience. In the meantime, I can give you the knowledge you need to get you off to a flying start. So welcome on board and let's dive straight in.